Here's Insomnia Cookies app, so just tap get to install it. I don't know what this app is, but it's quite high in the charts. Satisfy your cookie cravings now with the Insomnia Cookies app. You're just moments away from ordering your favorite warm, delicious cookies to be delivered right to your door. We are open until 3 a.m., so even your late night cravings can be satisfied. So yeah, that's I guess the point of this app. It's cookie tracker, one click order, cookie dough points, all the baked goods. So that's the point of the business, I guess. That is like they open until 3 a.m. I don't know what got why this app got in the high charts these days, but yeah, give it a try. It has like 27,000 ratings. Unfortunately, seems it's only working from US. It's just can't load for me right now. Yeah, like I don't know what the issue is here, but yeah, so that's just what it is. But yeah, so there you have it.